Migori wadoni jaten migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen oyango nyamburko manyien mag lweny aina mar MRAP mani kod teko mar geng'o tan 10 mar muoch mar miruti. Nyamburkogo biro konyo e chwalo arita ma pachoka e rang'iny mamalo moloyo to e gwenge ma osekwak kod weche mag maundu. Murkomen oyango nyamburkogo e log tich mar jolweny mag GSU kod obila mag GSU e gwenge ma Ruaraka e boma ma Nairobi.
We live in a nation that is surrounded by a number of countries that are struggling with various challenges of security. We all know the challenges that our neighbors in Somalia, in southern part of Ethiopia, in Sudan, southern Sudan, and all these challenges are posing a threat to our national security, especially in the pastoralist and far-flung areas. As to ensure that we secure this nation further and to make sure that our officers are protected from a few criminal elements that may be wanting to harm the citizens and harm also officers who are providing cover for law and order, the government of Kenya put in place a modernization program under the leadership of President William Ruto, which program has been implemented in the last 2.5 years to make sure that the equipment that is used by our police officers are modern.